Welcome back to the channel, beautiful people. Today we're diving into one of nature's most powerful hair growth remedies, coconut oil. This age-old ingredient has been trusted for generations, but does it really help your hair grow? Stay tuned because in this video I'll show you exactly how coconut oil works, its top benefits, and how to use it to get thicker, longer, and healthier hair, naturally. Why coconut oil works. So, what makes coconut oil so powerful for hair growth? Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a fatty acid that deeply penetrates the hair shaft and prevents protein loss, something most oils can't do. It also contains antimicrobial properties that fight scalp issues like dandruff, fungus, and buildup that can block your follicles. Plus, it nourishes your scalp and strengthens the roots, creating the perfect environment for new growth. When used consistently, coconut oil can transform weak, brittle hair into stronger, more resilient strands. Top benefits of coconut oil for hair growth. 1. Strengthens hair and reduces breakage. Coconut oil binds to the hair proteins and reduces breakage, making your strands more elastic and less prone to snapping. It also helps retain moisture, which prevents your ends from splitting and drying out. 2. Stimulates hair growth naturally. By improving blood circulation to your scalp, coconut oil encourages hair follicles to grow thicker and faster. Massage it gently in circular motions to boost absorption and enhance nutrient flow to the roots. 3. Fights dandruff and scalp issues. Coconut oil's antibacterial and antifungal properties help keep the scalp clean, reducing dandruff and flakiness. A healthy scalp is key to sustained hair growth. No buildup, no blocked follicles. 4. Adds shine and softness. It gives your hair a natural shine while smoothing frizz and dryness. Your hair will feel silky, soft, and full of life, especially after a few consistent uses. Coconut oil is truly a one-stop solution for scalp care, growth, and moisture. How to use coconut oil for hair growth. Here's how to apply coconut oil effectively. Warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil until it's slightly melted. Don't overheat it. Apply it directly to your scalp using your fingertips, massaging in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Spread the oil through your hair from roots to ends using a wide-tooth comb. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 1 to 2 hours or overnight for deeper penetration. Rinse with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for visible results in just a few weeks. Consistency is key. The more regularly you use coconut oil, the stronger and healthier your hair becomes. Avoid mixing too many oils at once. Stick to pure, cold-pressed, unrefined coconut oil for the best results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more hair growth tips, and share this with a friend who's on a healthy hair journey. And remember, your hair's best days are ahead of you. See you in the next video.